Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to disable the age restriction on the X app or on the Twitter application. So if you guys are wondering how to disable the age restriction over on the Twitter or the X application, as we know now, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this. So what we need to do first is to launch the X application. Now, I'd like you guys to proceed with being familiar that the option to access the age restriction won't be located on the application. So what you need to do is to access the Twitter or the X application through the web browser. So go ahead and access the Twitter application. And of course, log on to your preferred account through the web browser. And once you have already done so, what we need to actually do from here is to access our settings. So let's go ahead and access the settings from our page. So just tap on your settings in the top right corner over here. And basically, we need to access our profiles. So where is that going to be located? You may ask. Well, basically, we need to go in and tap on our profiles over here. So once we're here on our profiles, tap on Settings and Support, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. I want you to tap on Privacy and Safety. Now from here, let's go ahead and tap on Content, you see, and basically, make sure that the disabled media that may contain sensitive content is unchecked. Doing this will make sure that this is actually checked, because doing this will actually show you and display the media that may contain sensitive content, which also could be age restricted. So make sure this is Jack, so that you could be displayed, or those content could be displayed, allowing you to see it without age restriction. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching and take care.